Hello and welcome. You tune in to Buy Now Sell Now. I'm Ankita Saxena. With me is Kavita Thaplyal. In the next 1 hour, we'll take you through all of that's happening on the market. Of course, we are in the thick of earnings season, so managements are also lined up, and we'll take your queries and get them answered by experts as well. So let's get going with the show. But first, let's take stock of how the market is shaping up. Nifty is right now at the highest point of the day, as you can see on the charts. It is trading above the 24,250 levels. 1.2% uptick is what Nifty is saying at this current juncture. Let's take a look at Nifty Bank as well. Nifty Bank is also at the highest point of the day. Right now, trading with gains of 453 points, 0.8% uptick coming in on Nifty Bank as well. Let's take a look at the broader end of the market, because remember, it is the broader end of the market that has been outperforming the benchmarks, and that has been, really showing a lot of resilience, and especially the small cap pack. Small cap is also trading with gains of 1%, and mid cap is also holding on to gains of 0.7% since morning. So there has been a consistent rise. In fact, there has been no dip over there as far as the broader end of the market is concerned. And even sectorally, if we see, most of the sectors are doing pretty well, with just Nifty Media marginally in the red, but rest of the sectoral indices are trading in the green. So net market breadth looks very positive. So it's a good day that's coming in on the market. But like I mentioned, it is a thick of the earnings season. And on the back of earnings now, we are joined by a management for Piccadily Agro, who's joining us. Natwar Agarwal, CFO Piccadily Agro Industries, is now joining us. Hi, good morning, sir. Thank you so much for joining us, Mr. Agarwal.
Thank you so much. Thank you for being me here. Thank you so much.
Mr. Agarwal, firstly, let's take a look at your numbers. Although we see a rise in your revenues, a 31% year-on-year growth, your margins have contracted to 21.3 odd percent versus 25.7% on a year-on-year basis. What led to this margin contraction, and what have been your cost pressures?
So, talking about the margin contraction, if you look at, we have two segments, our alcohol business and sugar. The margin contraction is mainly on account of our sugar business. The alcohol business margins, alcohol margins are consistent, and they are in a consistent range. So they have not dropped. The drop is only because of the sugar business. And yeah.
All right, Mr. Agrawal. Hi, this is Kavita Thaplyal also joining in. You have stated that you're planning to launch more IMFL products. Can you share some more details on this and the timeline of launch maybe, and also which geographies are you looking to cater to?
So we have a robust pipe. So we have a robust demand of our current portfolio, like our flagship Indri brand and crafted products like Kamikara and Kashmir. We also have a strong pipeline of our premium products during the entire year. And geography across, we are currently present into 29 states in India and about 29 countries globally. So geography expansion is consistent all through the market. We have deep penetration into our distribution network. So the entire launch of premium products will continue in the entire year, mainly into white spirits.
Agarwal, also, you are also looking to enter the white spirits category. Can you throw some more light on that as well?
So there are a lot of exciting launches are planned. As you would understand that disclosing the particulars would be tough this point of time. But what we can assure you is that our products are always very premium, very unique. We just launched Kashmir vodka, which is a pure Sonam, done by Sonamati wheat and Kashmir water. So I think these kind of products and very crafted products will continue the entire year. And you will see very exciting and very premium products launches as we go along in FY27.
Also, you have expanded your Indri distillery and commissioned a new greenfield facility in Chhattisgarh. Just want to know any further expansion plans?
So we have expanded into our current Indri plant also. And as you rightly said, in Chhattisgarh greenfield project, the expansion has been mainly done. Now, the monetization of these expansion or these capex will start kicking in starting this year. So we are expecting a robust revenue growth and profitability in coming FY27 and years later. by utilizing or monetizing the current expansion. But our expansion in terms of barrel capacities and malt maturation will continue.
Which, speaking of expansion, Mr. Agarwal, how will the higher capacity utilization at both Sindri and Chhattisgarh facility aid the revenue growth for you?
So we have, as I said, we have a robust demand. We are already on allocations. With this expansion of capacities, we are planning to cater the current demand, which will happen this year, FY27, and maybe next year. So this expansion will help us in the current robust demand we are experiencing, and we are on allocations currently.
Right. Mr. Agrawal, now from over 1,000 crore of revenue in FY26, how much volume growth are you aiming for now? How much revenue are you eyeing for FY27 and FY28?
So in terms of revenue and profitability, so we take both the parameters together. We eye both the revenue and the profitability. So with this kind of a demand and the robust pipeline, and the focus on a global, right? We are focusing on a lot of exports also. So we expect about 60 to 70% revenue growth in coming FY27. And we are the fastest growing Alcobev brand company in any listed space currently.
Right. Mr. Agarwal, finally, you see opportunities to increase export revenue. Which are the geographies that you're eyeing for expansion?
We are eyeing a lot of markets, but our main focus is in US, Asia Pac, Europe, and UK.
All right. With that, thank you so much, Mr. Agrawal, for taking your time out and answering all the questions. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
With that, it's time for a short break, but then post that, we'll get connected with our guest on the show. We'll be answering your stock-specific question. And just before we go on the break, let's just flash our WhatsApp number so that you can get connected to us and send across your questions.